Conquer correlative conjunctions, mastering parallelism. Hello, dear English learners. Welcome to our new video. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of correlative conjunctions and the crucial role that parallelism plays in their use. Whether you're writing essays, delivering speeches, or just aiming to make your everyday communication more fluent, mastering this topic will take your English to the next level. Before we go into parallelism, let's make sure we understand correlative conjunctions. These are pairs of words that work together to balance elements in a sentence. Some common examples include not only but also, either, neither, and both and. For instance, take a look at this sentence. Not only does he study well, but he also plays sports. In this example, not only and but also are correlative conjunctions that help to link and balance the two activities mentioned in the sentence. Now, let's talk about parallelism. Parallelism is a principle in English that involves balance. In simple terms, it means using the same grammatical structure or form when listing two or more ideas in a sentence. This makes the sentence easier to understand and creates a rhythmic flow. For example, consider the sentence, "She loves reading, writing, and to play the piano." The sentence is not parallel because the first two items in the list, reading and writing, are gerunds, verb forms ending in ing, while the last item, to play the piano, is an infinitive, the basic form of a verb preceded by to. To make the sentence parallel, we could revise it to, "She loves reading, writing, and playing the piano." Now it's perfectly balanced. The principle of parallelism applies to correlative conjunctions as well. When you use correlative conjunctions, the words or phrases that follow the conjunctions should have the same grammatical structure. Let's look at a couple of examples to illustrate this. Incorrect. She not only studies but also is a good athlete. Correct. She is not only a good student but also a good athlete. In the incorrect sentence, the structure following not only, a verb, studies, is not parallel with the structure following, but also, a noun phrase, a good athlete. In the correct sentence, both structures are noun phrases, thus maintaining parallelism. Here's another example. Incorrect. He can either play the guitar or singing a song. Correct. He can either play the guitar or sing a song. In the incorrect sentence, the structure following either, an infinitive, play the guitar, does not parallel the structure following, or, a gerund phrase, singing a song. In the correct sentence, both structures are infinitives, keeping the sentence parallel. And there you have it, folks. Remember, maintaining parallelism in correlative conjunctions is essential to creating clear, fluent, and stylistically pleasing English. It's a simple principle that can make a world of difference in your communication skills. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. As always, we hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.